Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone else you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Today we're doing puzzle number 106. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. No help here. 1, 5, 9. No help here. 1, 5, 9. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row now we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 8. 6 and 8 here, so this is our 5. And no help here, so 6, 8. If we look now, this 5 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. And for this column now, we're only missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here, 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. One and 4 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so this is our 4. 1. That 6 makes this our 8. 6. That 1 makes this our 5. 1. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column now, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 1 here means this is our 7. 1. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 8 here makes this our 9. 8. For this box now, we're only missing a 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.